Hey guys, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So today we're going to be talking about windshield wipers and how over time they get rusted or chips and whatever in the paint. So we're going to take a look at that and we're going to show you how to fix it. So yeah, just come on over. So as you can see over here, there's a bit of rust and stuff, and we got a bunch of chips along here. So we're going to take these wiper blades off and make them look new again. So without further ado here, let's get underway and let's get this thing rocking. So guys, the first step, you can either have your hood down and get this one, but eventually you're going to have to pop your hood and get this one over here. And this will work for any car. So we're just going to take these caps off. In this case, I'm using a 14 mil socket. Alright, so we're going to push down on the wiper a little bit and pop the blade off, just like that. So this is the wiper arm that we're going to be fixing, guys. And so the next step, I'm just going to take it off. Mine's an easy one. Just going to push, just like that. There we go. So we got the cap. We're going to just put it away for now. Grab the other one. This one will actually be a little bit easier if we just close the hood. There we go. Same thing. We're just going to pull the cap off. Pop the blade. Oh, there goes the cap again. So now we got the arm. This one's not as in bad shape, but we still got a bit of rust and stuff. Just right there. The other one's quite a bit worse, and it's got some chips. So what we're going to do is just lightly sand this where it's all rusted and stuff, and we're just going to throw a coat of paint on it. You could lightly sand the whole thing to probably get better adhesion. But all I'm going to do is just sand where the rusted spots are, and the other ones are bare metal chips, so I'm not too concerned about that. Alright guys, so we're just going to use this little part here, and we're going to see if we can just use it with just a wire brush, see if we can get all that cleaned up. Alright guys, so they're looking a lot better. Most of the rust is all gone off it, and ready for some a quick paint job. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad. The best thing to do is if it's bubbling anywhere, you got to get that paint off and get underneath, and yeah, try to get all the rust off as possible, because if there's rust there, it's just going to come up and bubble under your paint and destroy it. Alright guys, so I'm going to use a semi-gloss paint. I'm not going to use a high gloss or just a gloss paint, just because I don't think from factory it was that shiny. So I try to get it more of a factory look. I'm going to go with the semi-gloss. I was even going to go with the satin, but I figured semi-gloss would probably be in the better ballpark. So yeah, you're going to want to clean these off. Oh, a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Just give these a quick wipe. Make sure they're clean, no oils on them. Perfect. Guys, this is gonna look really good after. This is just a quick little thing you guys can do at home, and most people have some type of spray paint or something at home, I'm guessing. But if not, can of spray paint in Canada, it's about $9. So yeah, it's not too expensive. So what we're gonna do, guys, it's almost dry here. Just like that. Now I gotta put it in a way here so we can get a nice even coat. Look at that, looks beautiful already. So I think a semi-gloss is probably as glossy as I'd want to go. I don't think you would want to go with just a full gloss. I think it might be a little too shiny. There we go, guys. It's looking better already, and it hasn't even dried yet. Now we're going to grab the other one. Just going to use this cap to hold it. There we go. So again, we're just going to spray the tip. Make sure we get a decent coverage on that. Different angles. There we go. Now we're going to hit the whole arm. That's one side. Carefully rotate this the other way. Oops. There we go. So now we're just going to let that dry, guys. Wait 5-10 minutes. We'll hit it with another coat, and that's pretty much it. So these are going to look absolutely stunning. They look a million times better already, guys. I'm really happy with the way it's starting to look. Once it gets on the car, you're going to look at it and it's going to be like, hey, you got new wipers. All right, sun coat. Just like that. There we go. Beautiful. That's good. This one. Perfect. Just gonna tighten these down and we'll be good to go. There we go. There we go, guys. So there we go, guys. So that's pretty much it. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can always share with friends and family. So this is a real easy way to get your wipers looking new again, and it's a very simple DIY fix that anybody can do at home. It doesn't take much, like I said, a little bit of sandpaper or a wire brush just to get that rust off, or any paint that's flaking off. Then all you got to do is so you can take it a step further. You can put some primer on it, then paint it, and then put a sealer or a clear coat on that. So just for the purpose of this video, I left out the primer and also the clear coat. For this, I just wanted to clear up a little bit of rust and just throw some coat of paint on it, and it looks fantastic. Looks really good. It'll hold up for a while. Again, having that primer to seal it seal the paint right on there is going to help out a lot. And then the clear coat is really to help with durability over time, so that that paint will last a little longer. But yeah, guys, that's it. It's super easy, something you guys could do at home. It's a quick fix to make your vehicle look a little bit newer again and just give it that revitalized look. They look pretty new. They look pretty damn good. I just repainted over it and it looks fantastic, guys. Looks like brand new wipers. I mean, they are wet right now, but they look brand new. They look fantastic. It's a little something you guys can do, and it makes them look a whole lot better. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, never stop learning, guys. All right, catch you next time.